Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of July for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun is very important planet for you people because Sun is your ascendant lord. And right now, Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Gemini, where Mercury is already moving. Sun will stay in your 11th house till 16th of July, then Sun will move to your 12th house in the sign of Cancer. First house deals with you, your personality, your health, and overall aspects of your life. 11th house deals with your gains, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your large incoming gains, profit in form of money, and all the positive things, hopes and wishes you have is seen from your 11th house. So we can expect during the month of July till especially till 16th of July, you will have positive result regarding your hopes and wishes and your gains and your friend circle. After 16th of July, when Sun will move to your 12th house, then you need to be very careful regarding your health and your expenses because 12th house deals with your losses, your expenses, and your health related matters. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of July for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your second house and your 11th house. And right now, Mercury is present in your 11th house in its own sign, means in Gemini sign, where Sun is already present as we discussed previously in Sun section. Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 8th of July. Then Mercury will move to your 12th house in the sign of Cancer and will stay in your 12th house till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your first house in the sign of Leo. Your first house in the sign of Leo. So till 8th of July, we can expect, as we discussed in some sections, you may have some gain related to money matter because second house deal with your money, your savings, your asset, your family related matters, and all the positive news you will have related to your family will be seen from your 11th house. So we can expect in the month of July, you may have some positive result, have some gain related to money, or your elder sibling may have some gain because 11th house also deal with your elder siblings. After 8th of July, when Mercury will move to your 12th house, then we can expect you may have some losses related to money or you may have some expenses after especially after 16th of July when Sun will join Mercury in your 12th house in the house of losses and expenses. Also, Mercury controls your 11th house. So if you're having any business in your foreign land or you are working in multinational company, then we can expect some positive result for you people after 16th of July. But if you are working in your homeland and there is no connection in your work related to foreign or foreign multi and there is no connection between foreign and your working and there is no connection between foreign land and your workplace, so we can expect you may have some expenses and losses. So you may have some expenses and losses at your workplace also in the month of July after 16th of July especially. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of July for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo ascendant people, Venus controls your third house and your 10th house, and right now Venus is moving in your first house where Mars is already moving. Third house control your younger siblings, your cousins, your neighbors, your all the people living around your home to whom you say hello in everyday life. So we can expect how deal with your workplace, your work environment, your work ethics, nature your your authority, your respect, your fame is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house lord and third house lord is moving in your first house. So as we discussed in Sun section or Mercury section, till 16th of July, we can expect you may have some gain related to your money matter or your workplace. You may have some recognition or promotion in your work because your 10th house Lord is moving in your ascendant. After 16th of July, when Sun and Mercury will move to your 12th house, then you need to be very careful regarding your work matter, your health related issues. Because then your first house Lord will be in 12th house and your 10th house Lord and third house Lord will be in your first house, and third house also represent effort. So after 16th of July, we can expect you may have to put a lot of effort in your work and in your life. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July. But we should not forget that Ketu Ketu is moving in your third house from last year March 2022. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many issues related to third house matter in your communication and with your younger siblings, especially your cousins and your childhood friends. So you need to be very careful regarding these matters in the month of July also. But right now your third house and 10th house lord is moving in your first house, so we can expect in the month of July you may have some relief related to your disturbed third house effect. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of July for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, moon controls your 12th house, and right now moon is moving your 6th house in the sign of Capricorn. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to make video. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12,000 transit during these days, we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problems in our life. Either it is a positivity or negativity. Whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet near any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. During these days also we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. Especially problem will come from the house significance through which the moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now Mars is moving in your first house in the sign of Leo where Venus is already moving. Ninth house controls your travel related matters, your father related matter, your father's health, your teachers, your mentors, your higher educations. Fourth house deal with your mother's, your relationship with your mother's health, your property related matters, your conveniency, your comfort in life, your peace in life. All of these things is seen from fourth house. So right now your lord of your fourth house and ninth house moving in your first house. So the whole picture according to your planet for your ascendant, it seems like you will have some gains related to money or home related matters till 16th of July. Also your work related matter because your 10th house lord also moving in your ascendant. But after 16th of July, you need to be careful regarding some matters in your life, like regarding your health and your family's matters, because your sun will be moving in your 12th house after 16th of July. Also, Mercury will be in your 12th house. So we can expect these results from all planets for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of July. In the month of July, we will have four major astrological events. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 11th house to your 12th house on 16 July in the sign of Cancer. Second major astrological event is Venus just moved from your 12th house to your first house on 7 July in the sign of Leo. Third major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 8th of July. After 8th of July, Mercury will move to your 12th house in the sign of Cancer and will stay in your 12th house till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your first house in the sign of Leo. Fourth and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your first house on 23rd July 2023 and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction videos. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant for the whole year of 2023, then you can check my yearly prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all the Leo ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.